We understand what it takes to sell your home. Our mission is to help everyone find their place in the world, and I'm honored to help you with home buying process. 28,000 agents nationwide in 72 markets. An extensive referral network of the top agents. Compass Advantage. Ranked 1 residential brokerage in the U.S. $230 billion in gross transaction in 2022. Investing billions in technology. Custom marketing strategies. We have large digital and media reach with 250 million in annual website and social media impressions and 150 press release impressions. Monthly website visitors of 8.8 million more than competitions. Your listing will have major international exposure with 122 offices in the world and 19 countries. Number 1 brokerage in market share in Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach County. Here are our extraordinary stats.
Concierge, powered by HouseAmp. Access your equity for larger projects and keep everyone on the same page with project management. And direct payments on the platform. The power of photography. Beautiful photography is one of the most powerful tools for selling your home. Compass uses best in-class photographers to show your home in its best light. Make a positive first impression and attract more buyers. Pricing your property to maximize buyer activity. Timing of buyer activity. A property receives the most traffic within the first few weeks of hitting the market. It is important to get the price right in order to gain the attention of interested buyers and maximize your home's position in the market. Attracting buyers using competitive pricing. Using competitive analysis, market research, and Compass suite of AI-powered tools. We recommend a price for your property to generate the most activity and offers early on before buyers move on to newer listings. A multi-channel marketing approach designed to stand out. From brochures and postcards to social media and emails, our marketing collateral effectively communicates your property's story and attracts more potential buyers. Reach more prospective buyers with intelligent digital advertising. By leveraging Compass digital advertising tools and partnerships across social media and advertising. Throughout your listing process, we can generate demand to sell your home faster, and we meet potential buyers where they are, online, assessing our strategy and monitoring the market. Using proprietary tools such as collections and insights, we keep you informed of market conditions and traffic to your property. Placing your property where your buyers are searching. Once your home is listed on the MLS, it will be syndicated to some of the top real estate platforms domestically and in 60+ countries globally. This will allow us to get maximum exposure for your home.
Contact me for any assistance. Thanks for watching.